Hello, everybody. Big doings this week. We're reading chapter 6 in Critchley's book. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a minute. And we're wrapping up a final draft of one assignment. The first major essay, and counting the comic argument analysis is the second, which you've already done in either the first try or the second try on that one. But this one, of course, you had a draft and I responded to it, and you'll need to carefully read my responses as you revise your draft and as well as the main assignment. And you'll want to get that to me Monday on the assignments page. So here's the assignments page. The class discussion on chapter 6, as well as the reading questions. But let me change the order here a little bit. This would be your first piece of business for the week because it's due Monday night. Okay? And if you follow my comments on your draft, all should go well. Let's head over to the modules page. And there is a reading assignment, but first things first, let's go to the tips on chapter 6. And you can see that I've mapped it out a little for you. So read through this. This will help you get through Critchley's writing a little bit and get to the juicy parts. And here is the chapter. And he explains sensus communis. Of course, that's also in the title. It's Latin for common sense, but see what I say on the reading guide about it. It's not just common sense generally. So take a look at that. And I guide you through a few key bits here, but let me scroll on down to, as you read, to sort of focus your reading once you start getting here. And by the way, key stuff I mentioned in the reading guide. And more key stuff as mentioned on the reading guide. And bingo! There's the thesis for the book. And also where he brings in argument into comedy. We've been getting a lot of help from Weston on that, but Critchley does help us a little bit there as well. So keep that in mind. Have a great beginning to the week. I'll be back on Thursday to talk about the last major assignment for the class. See you then.